Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a chat message from your friends on Roblox Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable chat message notifications on your mobile device, so you can stay connected and up to date with every conversation. First, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open up the menu. In this menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Settings. Tap on Settings to enter the main settings page for your Roblox account. Now, on the settings screen, look for the Notifications option. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Tap on Notifications to access all your notification preferences within Roblox. Next, you'll see an option called Mobile Push Notifications. Tap on this to see all the different types of notifications you can receive on your phone. Here, you'll find toggles for various alerts, such as friend requests, group announcements, and of course, chat messages. To make sure you get notified every time someone sends you a chat message, simply toggle on the switch next to Chat Message. When the switch turns green, you're all set. This means you'll receive push notifications for every chat message you get on Roblox. If you don't see notifications coming through, double-check your phone's notification settings to ensure Roblox is allowed to send notifications. Sometimes you may need to allow notifications in your device's settings as well. And that's it. You've now enabled chat message notifications on Roblox Mobile. With this setup, you'll never miss an important message from your friends or fellow players. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting on Roblox.